I would like to thank every single member of the Starfish staff.
Well, I just want to take the time to say thank you to Starfish Initiative for opening doors to me and letting me come to at least one college like Butler University, which is amazing. I'm happy I'm going to get my mentor so I can be successful in life, and thanks to Starfish, all my dreams are going to come true. Thank you, Starfish.
Starfish Week, like freshman week, was awesome.
It really was.
And
we became best friends.
yeah, what it really helps people, like if you have certain scholars that can't get through stuff like that, it helps them learn that you can talk to your mentor about it. You can talk to your match specialist about it. You can talk to anyone in the Starfish staff about it. That you don't have to be alone. They are here to help you, and that's what was good about it.
It's not a sacrifice, it's an investment.
Thank you guys so much, Starfish. It was an amazing experience to be here, and it was really new for me, so thank you all so much.
I want to thank Starfish, number one, for giving me this opportunity to come here or consider me as a scholar. So, thanks.